Life in Middleton offers families a peaceful, close-knit community, but noise can still find its way into your home. Whether it's street traffic, neighborhood activity, or even sounds between rooms, unwanted noise can interrupt daily routines, relaxation, and sleep. One of the most effective ways to create a quieter, more comfortable environment is by investing in specialized door installations designed for noise control. Why noise control matters for families. For many Middleton households, quiet time is a necessity, not a luxury. Better sleep. Reducing outside noise helps children and adults rest more soundly. Focus for work and study. With more families working and learning from home, noise reduction supports productivity. Healthier living environment. Lower noise levels reduce stress and create a calmer atmosphere. Doors may seem like small details, but they are key contributors to household noise levels. Common door-related noise problems. Standard doors are often not designed with soundproofing in mind. Hollow core interior doors. Common in many homes, they are lightweight but allow sound to pass through easily. Poor ceiling. Gaps around the frame let in traffic or outdoor noise. Thin exterior doors. Older or worn-out entry doors may fail to block outside disturbances effectively. Replacing these with specialized doors can make a noticeable difference in your family's comfort. Specialized door options for noise control. When planning a door installation in Middleton, consider these specialized solutions. Solid core interior doors. Denser than hollow core doors, they significantly reduce sound transfer between rooms. Perfect for bedrooms, home offices, or media rooms. Acoustic doors. Specifically engineered with sound-dampening materials to block or absorb noise. Insulated exterior doors. Fiberglass or steel doors with insulated cores keep outdoor noise where it belongs while improving energy efficiency. Sealed sliding or French doors. Modern designs with impact-resistant glass and reinforced seals minimize noise without sacrificing style. These tailored solutions ensure every area of your home benefits from a quieter atmosphere. Enhancing performance with proper sealing. Even the best door won't control noise effectively without proper sealing. Weather stripping. Blocks air and sound leakage around the frame. Threshold sweeps. Installed at the bottom of doors, these prevent sound and drafts from slipping through gaps. Acoustic sealants. Provide additional soundproofing, especially for rooms where privacy is essential. Professional installers ensure these finishing touches are done correctly for maximum noise control. Benefits beyond noise reduction. While specialized door installations greatly reduce noise, they also bring added advantages. Energy savings. Insulated doors improve your home's thermal performance, lowering utility bills. Increased privacy. Solid core and acoustic doors provide better sound separation for bedrooms, bathrooms, or offices. Enhanced home value. Quiet, energy-efficient homes appeal to future buyers. Improved security. Stronger, insulated doors add protection against intruders. Families in Middleton gain both immediate comfort and long-term value from these upgrades. Why professional installation matters. For noise control solutions to work, installation must be precise. Accurate fit. Professionals ensure doors align perfectly in the frame with no gaps. Expert recommendations. Local installers can help families choose the best doors for Middleton's climate and lifestyle needs. Long-term durability. Proper installation prevents premature wear, ensuring your investment lasts. This expertise ensures the doors deliver the full range of benefits they're designed to provide. Final thoughts for Middleton families. Specialized door installations are a smart solution to everyday noise challenges. Whether you're looking to block outdoor disturbances, create quiet spaces inside, or improve overall comfort, options like solid core, acoustic, or insulated doors make a real difference. Combined with professional installation and proper sealing, these doors provide not only noise control but also energy efficiency, security, and long-term value. If your home feels noisier than it should, now is the perfect time to consider upgrading your doors. With the right noise control solutions, you can enjoy a quieter, more comfortable living space for your entire family.